In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Zoom meeting without host permission. Record Zoom free on Windows with OBS Studio. Before we begin, a quick but important reminder. Always follow your local laws, Zoom's terms, and your organization's policies. Get clear consent from participants before recording. What I'm showing you is how to capture your own screen and audio with OBS Studio for meetings where recording is allowed. First, download and launch OBS Studio on your Windows computer from the official OBS website. Install it, open the app, and if you're prompted by the auto configuration wizard, you can skip or accept the defaults. Either way works for a basic recording setup. Next, look at the audio mixer panel in OBS. Make sure desktop audio is active so the meeting's sound is captured. If you don't see activity on the meter when audio plays, open Settings, go to Audio, and set desktop audio to your default speakers or the specific device you're using. Aim for healthy levels that don't hit the red to avoid distortion. Now go to the Sources box and click the plus button. You'll be adding what OBS should record visually. Choose either Window Capture or Display Capture. Window Capture targets only a single app window, which helps avoid recording pop-ups or your desktop. Display Capture records the entire screen, which is useful if you switch windows, but be mindful it shows everything. If you selected Window Capture, pick the Zoom meeting window from the drop-down. If it doesn't appear, make sure the meeting is open and active, then try again, or change the capture method in the source's properties. Resize or position the captured window so it fills the canvas cleanly. If you want to include your own camera, add another source and choose Video Capture Device. Select your webcam, confirm the preview, and place it where you want, full screen or picture-in-picture. To avoid camera conflicts, start Zoom before you open OBS so Zoom can access the camera first. If the webcam shows as busy, close OBS, start Zoom, then reopen OBS. When you're ready, click Start Recording in the Controls panel. Speak and navigate as you normally would in the meeting. Keep an eye on the audio meters to confirm both your mic and the desktop audio are being captured at good levels. When you're finished, click Stop Recording. OBS will automatically save the file to your default videos folder. To find it quickly, go to File and select Show Recordings. From there, you can rename the file and store it in your project folder for easy access.